Hello there. Do you need help convincing your prospects? If you send a proposal, is it declined? Then today's event is for you.
Today, I will tell you a method through which you can hook your prospects and book more meetings. So let's get started. The software I will discuss today is RepliQ. RepliQ is video production software through which you can create sales videos that hook your prospects and book more meetings. RepliQ is a video creation tool that lets you automatically generate thousands of personalized outreach videos to boost response rates. Features: embed personalized outreach videos in your emails or LinkedIn messages. Feature your prospect's website or social media profile in your video's background. Add buttons and customize the branding before hitting send. You can preview your videos and store them all in one dashboard. Price: they have 5 plans. Monthly video credits of $200 are available for $39. Monthly video credits of $400 are available for $59. Monthly video credits of $1,000 are available for $99. Monthly video credits of $2,000 are available for $179.
Monthly video credits of $4,000 are available for $299.
But they have 3 lifetime plans. License Tier 1, 100 video credits per month for $39 instead of $348. License Tier 2, 500 video credits per month for $139 instead of $708. And License Tier 3, 1,500 video credits per month for $299 instead of $2,148. Features included in all plans: record or upload your videos, access to ChatGPT, iMessages, remove RepliQ branding, access to personalized images, merge feature to combine videos, full API access, add your own logo and company domain, personalize thumbnails. On the video page, there are dynamic variables and a call to action. HTML code to share via emails and social media, and access to LinkedIn profile background. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. You will be amazed if you see their reviews on the Appsumo. And Product Hunt has only 5 reviews. So take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10 discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. See you in the following video. Thank you.